Okay, cool. Before it got really dark, I thought I'd take care of this. So, this is the head that I got, and I'm pretty sure it's the same one. Maybe not. Let's hope. This has a block off thing there. Not really sure if mine is supposed to have that or not, but I'll find out in a little bit. And if it's the wrong one, then I'm doing all this for nothing. I have to go get another head. Anyway, so yeah, pick this thing up. Looks great. All the other good stuff. What I did is got the pressure washer out. I thought I'd make this for, all the sunlight goes down. And yeah, little trusty, I actually, that a long time ago, this Roivy stuff, man, I like it. Cool thing I did to make my life a little easier, I put this little extension thing on there. Oh man, so easy now. Anywho, I'm going to finish washing this thing off. And yeah, like I said, engine, all that stuff. Cam belt was already on there, so it's all good. I'm just going to go do a little more cleaning here, right? And after that, yeah, it's going to go on there. Let's hope it's the right one.